na mtoro kumia thai ni mumero karimi utumba weta cibitari private
Of course.
Mumero maybe mtoto otena say card ya NHIF kama zinatumika saa hizi sijui but kwena thina dene account ya Meru kana ni thina artificial no tukuri mtu moku atri ndona kile post ya mheshimiwa Mandaithili mtu akiwa mugomo wa madaktari it's artificially made kenda ko taint ile ya Kawira. Karibu sana bwana Bayenia. Bayenia ni Secretary General wa Kenya Union of Clinic Officers County ya Meru. Na no mo baraba idri to baitongeria maandamano Sunday kile chungi kia siasa. Someone insinuated that actually insinuated yowe akiwa yowe mubangani ya mantuano ntu owe na Kawira you don't like
hii mugomo ni artificial, tuanze hapo.
Thank you very much, Mama County.
Tano fresh.
Na ipo yani ontupo kwethe abo yostie okairi ki mupango yo. Okwanjiri na very nice note. Kiembere indebirwe ndwande bro ndwande kiongozi na kuchokere nkatho ni ontupo bro mostire. Nonto okara ko host yedu ni kiongozi ate ona guriwa na ararere mpara so ango chokere nkatho on that note. Secondly muire edu ni kiongozi akirumanga governor Kawira rira a campaign 2022 akiwa manto yo ndara very negative against ya watu health workers especially oninda support Mama Kawira and I supported Kawira mwaka kumetine kira kebiele bakuwe siasa lakini ando watu kondile waba solve manto ya wana siasa so nangende watu redhi baba place siasa na department ya health ni onto twewete into agreement last year 17th November 2023 oraibo kadhuri abera baka implement oraibo mpora abera baka implement kwe mwana siasa oibo abera baka implement twatera ndakare bagome so oketho kore mwingo the easy way kwe siasa the politics I've been accused ya siasa several and so many times but nyo ngwere bwana Martin ngwe union na opposition kachieta na iria kote mwanya nonto opposition na wakarikania mtu thirikari uta 1 2 3 onita unionist nkamwirate kamurikania brava tere kubithia kithirikari so kote thako na difference lakini urawe na power ya kuthiria mugomo ni the executive kethi siaza wakondo pletio ibo batio plesia zeo brava is safe nikenda batu tatu tenambi okuira kam chokie keuri kimo Martin Korea last year ka this financial year adirire it was almost clinic officers mwanja it was na nurses almost 50 approximately baba resign ka bari taya ka visit but I replace so imwana siaza riko wewe ka replace
you know Bayenia mtu no way you know you guys yes ibo campaign ile Kawira but then no bwithiro bwetumika unajua ni siasa chini ya maji after that because boma ntere karikite ndani account ya Meru we cannot rule out that one as a union boy take advantage no tobako bwithiro bwe na union maybe ko cripple trikari ya governor again on a 41st day ya mugomo kaboteni nyake hao na ntobabu buri tasibitari
Martin,
where do you think these people go to hospitals?
Martin urata mochari moyo ya Meru County koyo kumakunde no alile wayo kari have you ever
direta maua
tima wa Methodist ile dhikari
maua
Nyambene yes I surprise you atakire condition ya to that which bitare they are over 600% occupied those mortuaries reason being otire nasio mwe otuko amanage 70 patients aje baba critically sick nonto tiago okay ya mama atia yitu mano akatuika na kwenda undumere dharura kumutethia atikaombe ukua kwina nasio mwe kinya mtu mate mbote thini ntu any resuscitation but kubithe bwa antu baile wena antu 70 over 70 bako manage the ward bakenda baile bathatu resuscitation ukalelia bamo baichitire wite mtomo gike mogi.
So whose problem is that?
The problem it is with the executive. Ngwira babatiri gutha bakiruta batekuruta. Ni onto just a minute Martin. Itwane kiguchwa maternity. Iranga bana gwira nuo waka. Kiguchwa maternity yakiro 2015 na munya aposti nurses ko naendelea cooperate. No me onyo ntore na ba makarina. Kinyama kaina gimana tima yange kura chiwa ichuchera njeruga na chitirima jene jicherero. So now nurses bara bari ko mo bari sign bange bari taya. Na maternity tukete witate tekutangwe. It is not only kiguchwa kwena karama maternity mitongo na so many other maternities ira cherutangwe kionyo model of the center ina maternity kwiria rutangwe na enough nurses lakini baumira batiera nurses bale bareo.
When was the last time we updated maybe kuandikirwa nurses bau na CEOs and all that?
The last replacement ya bithiro 2020 ingavana Kiraito na tia replace everybody na numbers itiendelete cohesive ore cohesive no bo batutu wekero pressure. Today as we speak to in 72 dispensaries tina nasi mo kuna facilities ile batero kwa the chika van 24/7 clinic officers lakini it is not possible ni ontombi kotina enough clinic officers and in Meru County.
Another thing,
just a minute Martin.
Let me interject. Ito mikia kotina enough medics Meru na timeru ake non to pokuitwa kotina enough resources. It is as basic as that.
Let me tell you Bwana Ndula. Sorry utumira example ya weather hii. Tayo go kuri sign county atenda la kipindi wenka kwena mucharo rawata kinyane nombe onga ko replace na kanje kora mucharo ku very easily na mwene station yate ko nindi to another budget. What has been happening in department ya health officers visit but ko replace na kwena budget line yo.
So
replacement it is not ko employ a new position. It is not like creating a new position ya tukuwira. Muchara yu nanga mpesi yu nanga ukori executive na baikatia nondo teoria kiu tukero ari anga wage bill ambitoria ndi now number yetu chen department ya health icho yika balance wage bill tu kimanto ya ukonia replacement officers ndore nenu ibu agriculture officer duaru wa county
bila kubo mtoto akarioki itarea moi
they all retired nondo unfortunately ba second akuruba onde they all retired nobody replaced them what engineers oraibu wa county rwa they all retired na bata replace wa so in the same we both got a department health kara two another thing mat in together
so manto ya regime ya kekana ni manto ya
continuous.
Okay, itarea munya there was a lot of replacement and new employment. Munya na employed a majority of health workers. Actually almost 70% no andikire. Not remember to can involve CEOs bare that of them in the whole county. He employed at around 180 or there about. Create employ a few. But currently they in around 230 inclusive bare na contracts. Na nurses. I remember 2015 munya andikire baba inge mono almost 600 or there about nukona where iterekereito has been replacing but on a slow pace but now you can the current regime they forgot there's something called replacement. They have never replaced even a single person
Ever
for the 2 years
and about last year after they complained and they got on morundo were going to shortage they did cosmetic advertisement beyond advertising na kumi the public taking care with there was no interview, there was no shortlisting. I don't know whether they shortlisted, but there's nobody who was employed.
So okay, ndenda kumenya atri bona bayeni like rate ya exit na retiring na resignations yedretoreka kariata for these 2 years because komba kwethwa kinyi mtu mwaka na bele ba resign kana ba exited.
Ya kwa example ya data ya just concluded financial year nurses peke yake bari almost 50 50 of them na tu service barayana na abayana service ni ara watirima kwena maybe oti patient ya kavandi nurses baile kavadato like kanyakine wa work currently kwena nurses badato about patient umaba tu kavande unge night unge weekend
Kanyakina is still level 4.
level 4
Okay.
warding na they cannot manage kwetha penda more than one per rotation they cannot
Pa rotation imbi.
rotation
Per
yora per shift that is nye per shift itumba kwetha beyond one
Na mbere kwendekana ya nurses ni ubana kiri
we
K
are,
shift.
we are completely below the ratios ile chie kinya WHO na Ministry of Health yachitikiritie per rotation I think per ward nurse atibati ku manage more than 20 patients wete na witiri Meru County 70 80 igana why level 5 actually even the worse nontoni watiri maje ba mami batatu etandene no watiri manazi baba iku maybe one or two go back to manage those patients the whole shift so doing a lot of shortage. Another thing tiani nyana nurses the whole of I think Igembe Central I don't think but in a medical officer the last time I checked
Ai.
the whole county and
The
near the
entire
most
constituency na
Yes.
niyo ina the most population
Na niyo ina the most
224,000
population.
plus
clinic officers by the entire county the sub county I think they are less than 7 or 8 there they all ni baba kumani baba inge by level 4 au kangeta and ambiro I think within the sub county it in a clinic officer an health center ni baumire so shortage Martin what we are saying bado na kiato ku request thirikari replace ito ari na agreement na bona toera na last year 2023 toera na after officer exit service mu replace immediately ka within 3 months that has never happened you take ko need budget iba kwa weterete budget na nambi
gutumira the same salary
ni kutumia the same salary just replacing Martin for county Martin for Moses nukona nonto Moses ya weta haya the Metongo health center a clinic officer there and a nurse who happens to be a couple ibari sene a month ago by the America so an example Metongo today siora ngoira ruta atekomba ati itirutika nonto ateo they were two CEOs they are now remaining one arana sisi yana mbe barari bautauka ku buraba omba kurotiti na kuira bomba kuruta itiumbikana
Ndonre the other day rira bwari na maandamano yoni bwetere manko bichine cha county na bwari ni was it CC wa health
muungania
what was the agreement ni bibo awatanire nwe because bwetere bichine
but Martine deoto that kitie mugo motitu tutachieni arite bangoge ngoya ko ni a Manchester conveyor bambira but twaita muchamanio twabora twina 1 2 3 problems give us the options but give a notice of strike na this time around bature utiki ntuto batuita kwa ngiri na bona uwa bicine tutiambite obera nungwata and the reason
the executive
altobenu
yes and the reason on to kariyo kwena mistrust in between the staff na the executive executive despite kwethera bonoki they are very good at lying very smart in lying reason being budget making process is a public process taken to private na yanjere na county fiscal strategic paper riaba presenter erase the ceilings there's nothing a presenter ni executive key assembly to lobby through public participation now our friends there in the assembly but we take 200 million stage ya ko present budget estimates executive present zero nothing ya konia department ya promotion ka replacement
including the 200
yes ni yana rekurutwa mwirigi tawora support of executive is a branch of executive to taitie to to mwira thina chetu ma atu promise wekira private negotiations ya budget estimates baruta kotuika otekyo kikuo
so this 200 was supposed to be for what
yari promotion and employment which was not also not enough so now mwirigi beta as the chair of the budget beta baruta that budget estimate chair ya kurukwa without anything you remember MCs bata chinchiri estimates with the negotiated document to ya first reading and now I want to demystify the argument eba kuwa tote strike ni untubo support siasa what to ya first reading first reading yari before notice nye strike ya impeachment
yeah.
kwari na zero kwari uterio chiringi ya kiro kia appropriation bill ya first reading pe ya second reading twachuria batu tukiriaki twetera budget ikuru kwa be abatwira renge last year te budget ireo. I remember mwaka mbere ngavana utwirite atubuthia manto twithina manthe kumetine ukuma change story atwira i budget ikira itwetera ni budget yakwa last year during the budget making process Dr. Dennis Ora wari ana medical advisor Badia apart from Kwananzo KTV there was nothing else ahona hapana kampumire mbuo tiki budget ine aringo transfer no twakurura nini other colleagues imbi metho tokira to wisa watu engavana time so we came now budget in that reading now that is the only stage yeterete ambi acquirement we decided and we put the pressure on them whether there is impeachment or not it is about interest ya mwananchi ya kuensure kuna replacement health workers kuna proper allocation ya funds cha kurandawa na inya batu witithwa ngathi endu inarawi ni interest chieto to inachio acho nyaonga lawo nyawa ari ari no to interest cha no to akwenda thwakazi bathomete batethe bana interest lakini we ethe na interest cha kwaria so now Martin we went to the final stage ya reading ya budget we negotiated with the assembly na batwikira 311 million 211 million chichia employment and then 100 million 211 chichia promotion and 100 chi employment na kanyoni mtu no twira nuntu meanga bana rutana chore beto colleagues beto batwira ngabana tewiri timbe chiwa twekirirwe na irio ndo bato turowire nuntu batwira tuchoke ni ngoine utikyo bakonda twandikanira utini commitment letter bakwenda kakwenda kya tuya muchamane batwira babwi twabo promote choke twero babu borikyo choka mbechi kari allocate to other areas no tuka promote no ngabana twitite ati wiri twimbeche ira twera na batwiri ikintu raise to demand twandikire barua promotion tuchoke tuwete iu ni activity te witia matha krukia ya tano bwana Edward Martin ni unto barua retia andike wathe mtu ate job terms ni imwe ni uchinje personal number na rietwa tocha mane tukora you remember that tocha mane county secretary tomweleza uome atukonde bamweleza mura baba kwenda au basi ni next week tareo I think on Wednesday boire barua chienu on Tuesday to muchamanio to County Health Human Resource Advisory Committee ire bati ire and county secretary ta karanthia approve so royo te barwa to isawani ko da te barwa kato ire wakazi royo beye ora bero bari si barwa chio to beleze uma to ya do bero te barwa to ya anto wende basi edo te barwa ni choto ko ire te to andama nei to kinyo bisina to ri na ira ore ni untu to ire twingwa na to promise county secretary beye to county secretary CC Health ya barua wagirite nkua au agetha ithomera wengwa tutameona ni nyomboria barua no sainite ni kote cia ntimenya athoma uwa itwandike barua itwabo promote then wakazi obare au baba ori otiri babu barua ibu kurenga officials beto ari bombo tuthani barua tukathoma twameona ari chokeni itikirie ni banko bwira pamwira ari batu barua tukwenda mtu akira wa bayeni Moses promoted Martin promoted this promoted tuchoke ngoine kira kire mete tha ino tomogo yondelete iko the county secretary na CC na baraba batero kurtangweu bati kwenda kubuithia kwa kubaterwe antu bachoka ngoine
yes. So now okay akwithwa health department tayari ni budgetary 311 million sorry irio chia promotion na kuandika antu bayaro I think this is just ni implementation ya KTR. I do not know why you're still in the streets bwana Bayenia na mbecha tayari chimba ite 311 million euro tuira
kwena kintu kwelezere matinda kwera kwena mistrust whether iwa tamuchi ukaruro bya korea uga mtoro otendete oro maganto akathanwa kuretera mbere bikinya uri withera uri akwi okwa ndo me mtu either no abitura njirene no amunya wikira kintu kuo you get so our biggest problem batwe ikwithira executive itekwenda kubuithia kwa kubateru kwandika those letters actually bakenda batiandika naro na twachoka ngoiro uyu nuntu tubatu tugwe turenda kuona barua chetu beze chetu ikwambi committed tuko ina meeting Martin one of the meetings finance department beya tobori curriculum replacement what it is impossible we have to balance books nuntu tuandikire a lot of revenue collection officers tobori now orenda nas au mechibitari nyuntu to nanto ikomi bakuri ngari imwe you get aya tobori and now when na 211 budget tell us how we are going to share it kenda to me baba kwa promote na wate kwa promote they told us you have unpacked the money just go back we shall promote you waya na rungu ba to ira no me babwire buka ya kulo bwa choka ngavana riwa mbechi bote chionde a chi allocate other areas no to ibatera ba rambi MC ba allocate mbi against our wish
so you buriau
you know unless ba governor barua you guys
abo tumero isi ya siasa
ontukinya ba kuibo tumero iki siasa is because is like bote kuelewa kwena some sort of crisis kidney devolution like bechi tikuwa ya mapema itikuwa ya tiani counties chiongwani ra itire becha kulingana na finance bill ya 2024 kwithra yeta yani rua so guys it is like babu gutikuelewa kwena crisis kiri counties
anko chokerie bwana Martin mwachoro wa yetu thai kuogo me gavana na impeachment ni kuendelea rua teachwa
they don't even care
so kuketha gutina ndawa enough gutina daktari bakungana utimwiri wa gwetha thai twina the crisis in Meru County tu mbechire bakuichiti ile yora mbeche cha kuongelwa chero ndida twabongela tukuruchokia ringi ni unto bwambi pomanto anjenzi arapenire timbeche chio bamba actually they have not even budgeted for that money ira budget through a supplementary unto bwati kurukia budget yenu according to whatever been agreed before bere bukurukia these other so another thing the handlers of the rikari wa ngavana baba kuwa watu tumwa nini kwinkorire kyenda boria o tutumira rire ure anto ba promoto ire ure anto baka implement na the effect so kumanisha ugetha oro tutumira no kuwa ni basi anto manto ya executive bati kubwithia ikabwithia na it means now bati thirikari ne wika muntu ore omenwe na more power thirikari ne o ku influence manto atikabwithike because I said kurenda unions useless kana over silence iku implement manto yaba yabatero okay though ku implement wetera compliment other people then you are mistaken another thing let me say bwana Martin kuketha kwe muntu bati kwetha remorsive na apologize kwetha na support on all workers politically ngavana Kawira Mwangaza utonge to support na we supported them based on this kiretu na umeri in public wa winya record au the Nutrition Department tells in case of I would rather lose than you remember that statement so we were left with no other option than mtoro to irambi in public imbeche inda yankaboria ngabo promote ngabo kuthira manto ya na tuende basi kama gavana mama no ku ato promote basi tutemo support and that is what we did
and this one now should tell you about the bwira atiri kwina you know either kurea kurema kwa mbecha kana you guys butikwa rioma because ukiagwithwa kire itu na wire you would rather lose which he lost then as of mantu akana akinyanithia mantu bu obwirira gavana Kawira Mwangaza robo supported anyway akweya na kuremwa ni no buingiria mawira na jara bwiririte it is because maybe this thing is not possible.
Then another thing Martin, I thought this budget is itemized to
the budget is itemized the problem is the political goodwill it is the political goodwill another thing nyamante amotogoria tu minya ya kwenda budget Martin so imwana siasa uri kwerere executive bakaremiti mbeche chetu cha morio kenda 2022 cha CPF because it is unremitted and is running to millions of money pension funds I think the last month the financial year na last financial year almost mieri tano ta remitted so mwana siasa uri kwaira kwembeche ka remitted so we should have a government we should have a government equal responsible na oru kioria tia kuingania obaterio chokio kwa ntare mitimbe chinkare miti 1 2 3 one of the issues that mugomone is statutory deductions yetu ithite wikwa so ugethe utewikia na budget mwingire no reconcile books.
But this issue ikinyaki national government and other counties.
Martin,
it's not a special case.
Martin, don't compare with the failures. Compares with success stories. Kangata na citizen and I am to pray for most in our ya area made aware the success story department there. You did it. Hosting cover na kawiri nyabo mwere success story ya mero department
anyway. So bayenia de kuriatri kireitu na remero ni mantu ya na abwira it is not possible gavana Kawira Mwangaza atira abwira have you by the way got any audience to I don't know so gavana Kawira akuremwa gusort mantu ya seems like mantu ya ni impossible so kinya demonstration yenu utematinda ya achiara
Martin tiari impossible nonti tware gavana either everything possible Itori na munya and not that I'm saying for munya or anything na ngo rembe retire no more than another 5 or 3 governors then atomiaka manga retire almost 2050 something so I will have so many of them and I will have a story to tell this came and did this at least that na badatu munya ko yana solve a lot of issues in department ya health to itera kireito we handle our challenges ukona to itera gavana Kawira na ngwere Martin I was among the few people abo komire gavana Kawira obisine ntuko embere after inauguration bato kume obisine toromba torira I was among the few what album never that I am told biche chiako chia inauguration ni chiko nikuonekana na in a very big way but that was my last time to come close na gavana ntuko yo inauguration kumoto erio mochwa
aura
2 years itwarinya kamemene twin the August officials tukuito changavana last year kaota tuibiru ke news tutamona so na ukethe wote ukaranthi na batwe tukweleza na watu yana package full tuyata kueleza thina twakweleza possible in solutions watu wa modify solutions chetu tia accept ka yana tia kwa fresh so we have never met with Governor Kawira akaranthi na officials kinyobera thank you actually tukuye inauguration I was there among the few issues babo bakumirio obisine bo bangi baline te wo me uko yogo da kwenda kawitinga obisine we governor airo officials ba health bare o me bakwenda at least ba okethia uko mo obisine atumane wa bere nkabachwa bandae da intina time ko mo chamenda data yu bandae we ta kinyiwe na up to date
or maybe there's a proposal by Caleb Martin ariugatire level 4 na level 5 hospitals chichokwe kiri under national government akiuga most county governments bare overwhelmed kiri demands requires on the health sector.
I would welcome that idea. And you remember Governor Nanjiti kuwa level 5 with the national government. I sent her a message that analyze the pros and the cons. And you remember on our press chair, I think Irabo recorded them there. She said one of the union officials has told me that these challenges 1 2 3 and out of that point died. So let me answer Caleb in this way. We welcome it that way. Kukethira pathway atukwamba kuona solution in department ya health near the national level. County koremwa take us back even as today.
You know, bayenia thank God in the area I remember a devolution na crisis ya health ya was dira health ya kiri national
patora momu
patora megomone kenyario. Number 2 nito ntoto achokia level 4 kiri I mean level 5 kiri national government na level 5 in most places either isagas
Martin I think yonda kumerenda in department ya health and agile practice it was shortly before devolution na mugomo yo out from history not have read history mugomo edritereo yo ari 2010 Yura President Kibaki and double the salaries jailed workers we were being paid very little amount. Yes, devolution needed that in terms of infrastructure, in terms of employment na mwananchi wengo kwethena uge kiwoti it requires in the department. But it only works very well at in a political leaders, baba in leadership by na goodwill na political goodwill. Nunti baba na kigena. Bakeda bate willing together to na so many challenges. Na to for example department health there munya naandika antu abaingi kirito naandikire maybe a few numbers bori rwin department munya andika department ya agriculture ko ibo andikire kirito ya ori rwi kwandika kawiro tiba andika ba agriculture it is failing so do you want to tell me devolution ya agriculture nyayo it is good. So now devolution is good but is good only where we have got all the stakeholders bakara in the same language and I'll vote for devolution of health iendelea if at all to na leaders barabo ngoba ukarande bakaura ni department ya health problem nimbi. I give you an example. Dharakanithia our neighbors mbele mudhomi njoke okuma ndene ya governor every month I think ibotangaza mogomo madaktari no nyonto the governor wario he was unwilling to solve issues mudhomi ukuma etere everybody officials by union na kila mtu aboria thina nimbi pamweleza kuna solutions pamweleza he worked on those solutions today nyaba watoto etia national strike antu badharakanithi batita mogomo.
You know, someone told us actually
but survivor under threats
but survivor under threats and intimidations Tharaka-Nithi.
Let me tell you, yes, I may say that's obviously government could work in that way, but he promoted everyone in this first term. Two, Alilia facility. Okay, every government has got his own weakness, but for me, I'll also look at the positive stories. Level 5 year, Aira may restructure on the afresh, and he spent 250 million. Na today level 5 ya Chuka it looks like a private facility. You'd even rather go there than go in a public hospital. Yet let me give you an example. Kuna Monara yoto to na your level 5 you are your ward block you cumulatively total amount there allocated is almost 900 million na yoto yurabando
bora kirangeti na ibo kira sola sawa so tuliona mambo na sola mahali
ngeti chwa mtu na lori weta yoke video lori ya Nerau County ngawiki out Mombasa.
I am going.
So in 30 seconds
yes
ndenda wariria Governor Kawira thai na CEC Wild na chief officer.
One Purambo pikia kwira governor na karanthi na department.
Talk to her directly.
What I can tell my dear governor, our boss, she's still our boss, natie compliment other people kana kuretro information ya kwirwa awa ni hivi na hivi. Na karanthi na officials by union, na karanthi na officers by department bonda tweke amwe tumbe kwariria thinei exhaustively. Ora kalebara wire twithia twino stakeholders involvement nikienda tomba ku solve issues. Another thing ina bombekia kumuromba governor my boss neither na political goodwill ya ku solve issues na kaithe are after kuchwara kurere neither are after ku solve problems ya mwananchi wa kawaida nonto ake solve those problems. In fact she will even get more votes than weta kwira kubithia mbi public relations. Two, governor na lili advisors bawe na there is something I told her immediately kuma this impeachment kwenda post ndakire ndamwira advisors bawe ba mislead atabati kwa cabinet meeting ya karanthi na cabinet aringo bicha abati weta health workers babare mugomo akasolve mugomo nikenda mwananchi kawaida endelea kuona services. As much as we may blame everybody else, governor wengwa no bateri kwethira akitake change ki this process nikenda batoto ithenya twina confidence ya kuate the nature resolved. Another thing on in the part of in the device item and to department ya health amorikane bora to wait to solve these problems. Now back to where we said we need to solve the issues, we address the issues as they are.
Thank you. Thank you so much Muthikiria tumbe kutha tukirikiria huu ni Moses Bayana Secretary General wa Kenya Union of Clinic Officers ndene ya Meru na ingwetekia naruide 41 ya mugomo. We really hope.
How far are you willing to go?
As much as the executive is willing.
Thank you.